So before the markets open today, here are the things what you need to remember, and this I can tell like top global cues to watch in today's market. Okay, so first thing is about FIIs and DIIs. Okay, so yesterday, that is on August 6th, the FIIs have sold almost 17 crore worth of shares in our Indian market, and the DIIs, that is domestic investors, have bought around 4,013 crores of equities yesterday, okay, on the broader market. So today, let's see how the market will open. So the time is still around 8:30 a.m. now, so we have time left for the market to open. So let's see how the market will open today, and according to the opening we can see the resistance and support, and later on I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be telling you what stock I'll be trading and everything. So watch the video till the end to get this complete information. And I'm trading from almost 12 years plus without indicators. So if you guys wish to improve your trading skill and knowledge and want to learn from a 12 years plus of experience, do check out the description box. There is a link to connect with me personally on the Telegram. Just click on the link and send me a hi so that we can connect and discuss. So guys, the Gift Nifty is trading below 100 points as of now. It's close to 24,665. And also you can see here, this is the latest news what we have. That is the Gift Nifty falls 100 points, signals muted start for Sensex and Nifty. So the market opening might be flat for today, or it might be a bit of a downtrend for today. This is because of rising crude oil price and weak Wall Street way. So these are the things what we have as of now. Before the market opens, we have all these updates. So anyway, these are all just a news. Okay, if you don't have a right strategy and a right skill, you can't decide what to trade, where to trade, and anything. So these are all just the news, like a clue which will help you like how the market might open. Okay, this is just an opening insight. Okay, it's not an overall today's trend or something like that. We will come to know how the market might open and what are the big news or anything which will impact to our market or Nifty. Okay, regarding this, we can only know where the market might open and how it might behave in the opening session. Okay, later it's all about your skill, strategy, and knowledge, what will help you to take the right trade or what will help you to avoid the trading. Okay, so if you have a right knowledge, you can trade in any kind of market, or if the market is too volatile, if it's too much of a gap up or too much of news, I would suggest you to avoid trading on that particular day, because it will become more risky for intraday trading. Okay, so anyway, these are the news what we have before the market opens. So let's see after the market opening how it will be. Nifty is expected to remain in consolidation phase according to the latest analysis, and 24,700 to 24,800 level is acting as an immediate resistance level on the upper side, and 24,500 to 24,400 is a supporting side what we have. So let's see how the market will perform in the upcoming days. So yes, the Nifty is opening at 97 points down, same as Gift Nifty, which is 100 points down. So the market is opening at 24,538. So the support, immediate support what we have is around 24,500. If that breaks, 24,400 is the next support level. On the higher side, 24,600 to 24,700 is a resistance point. So yes, it's very small gap what we have now. So if these levels breaks, then we might see a quicker movement and fast volatility to happen. But anyway, let's see how the market will perform today. It's still the opening as of now. We still have few minutes left to the market opens. So after the market opens, let's see how the momentum will build up and continue for the day. So as of now, in out of Nifty 50 stocks, 34 are opening in the downside, 9 in a little bit of a upper side, and 7 are unchanged. So in the few minutes, I'll be selecting the stock. So guys, the time is around 9:25 now, and I've selected Reliance stock to trade. Not yet entered to the trade yet. Currently, it's trading around 1326. If it comes below 1322 is where my short selling level is according to my analysis. So right now you can see it's still in between, or if the price goes above 1330, then it will be a buying side trade. Okay, so these two levels also not yet executed. Okay, so I don't predict anything like it should go up or it should come down. Okay, whichever side it goes, I'll just take the trade. So that is my strategy, and that's how I trade. Okay, I just let the market decide the trend and let the market take to the right side. So anyway, I'm just waiting for the levels to trigger now. It's not yet triggered, so it's at 1327 as of now. So let's wait and see how the stock will perform today. And Nifty as of now is still flat and it's going up from the support level. So let's see how the market will continue. So guys, this is the Nifty 50 chart what you guys are seeing now. So it took a support somewhere around here around 24,530, and from there it has now gone up till 24,600. So in the opening itself we have got a good momentum. So I hope the momentum continues for the day. So let's see how the market will perform overall for the day. Bajaj Finance and Tata Capital share have come down by 5% today. This is because RBI has drafted the rules on banning NBFCs offering revolving credit facility, and this ban has affected the flexi loans offered by Bajaj Finance, and that is why these stocks are down today. So this is the latest update. So guys, yes, today's trading is just finished, and now let's talk about how the market performed today and how the stock, that is Reliance, what I've selected, how it has performed today. So all these things I'll be telling you, and also I'll be talking about the top news what's available in today's market. Okay, so firstly let's talk about the trade what I've done today. So guys, firstly we have short sold Reliance in the morning itself. Once it came below 1322, and after that you can see the stock has gone down also, and it has given the target on the selling side. And later, as I said you in the morning itself, so above 1330 was a buying level, even that has crossed, and again it has gone up till 1337. So both the side my targets were achieved in today's intraday trading on Reliance. Okay, so this is how the stock has performed for today. And now let's talk about more. Okay, so let's talk about Nifty 50 performance for today. Okay, so market today opened, and then what happened was after opening it did look bit of a stronger side for the first 45 minutes, and later you can see the resistance was strongly taken somewhere around this level, that is 24,630 level. Okay, so once this resistance level was touched, you can see that the Nifty was dragged completely down for today. So yes, after 10 o'clock, the trend completely changed and the market has gone completely bearish for today. Okay, so you can see here the market came down, and the support level what is taken for today is 24,525, which is close to 25,500. So this is the support level which I had said you. Okay, and also at the closing of the day, it has closed somewhere around 24,570. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 has performed today. So as I said you in the beginning itself, there is a consolidation zone in Nifty 50. Until and unless it breaks that high point or the low point, we might experience this kind of trend to continue. Okay, so now let me show you something very interesting regarding this CAS thing what they have done recently. Okay, so you can see on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday there was a big spike in the market at the closing time due to the new CAS rule. Okay, but now you can see Thursday and Friday, that is today and yesterday, this sudden spike glitch they have been resolved. So Nifty resolved it. So that's a very good thing about Nifty 50. So they have done this fine now. Okay, so as of now there is no spike at the closing time. So it's all neutral is what I can see here. Okay, so this is about today's Nifty 50 analysis and the stock what I have traded for today, guys. Okay, so now let's talk about other news what we have and what I know. Okay, so Google and Adani are partnering up to open the AI data center. So let's see when they will do that. So they're planning to open this in India. So let's see how it will benefit India and also the AI world. Okay, and also Parliament is saying that E20 petrol is not affecting the vehicle in the mileage or anything in the engine. So not sure how true it is. So let's see in the upcoming days what and all we'll get to see about it. Okay, and one more thing is that Indelco stock has gone up today. It's one of the top DNA stock for today. Why? Because the net profit has jumped up. That is the Q1 result. Net profit is jumped up by 75%. Okay, so they made almost 7,013 crore rupees as profit, and the revenue is raised by 32%, and the stock is already up by 3% today. So this is the reason why it has given a sudden raise in today's market. Okay, so anyway, this is not a trading recommendation, guys. Whatever I'm telling you is completely for an educational purpose. And if you look at Indelco chart now, and if you put it in 1 day time frame, of course the stock was trading in its resistance range from last couple of days. After hitting the lower range of 930, it was going up. So the resistance range was around 1000, and that level has given a breakout, and today it has gone up till 1053. So the next resistance level what I can see here is around 1080 to 1100, and the support level as of now is around 1000 level for Indelco stock. Okay, so this is how the Indelco stock has performed today. And also the Titan stock Q1 result is also out today, and they have profitable almost by 65% is what I can see according to the news. So even that stock is having a positive news. But today if you see the stock, that stock has not given a much positive moment, but overall the news is positive. So let's see how the stock will perform on the upcoming days. So guys, whatever stock I'm mentioning here is not a trading recommendation, it's completely for a educational purpose. Okay, and I'm trading from almost 12 years plus, and if you guys wish to connect with me, do check out the description box, there is a link to connect with me personally. Okay, so anyway, this is my analysis for this week trades, and these are the things what I've done today, guys. So let me know what you guys feel about this video, and do give a like, subscribe and comment whatever the doubt or question you have. And if you guys wish to connect with me personally, do check out the description box, there's a link to connect with me personally. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.